Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and today we're going to be attempting to make a ring out of this beautiful Damascus steel. So let's get started. Alright, so we have our blank all cut out now. Let's chuck it up in the lathe. Okay, so we've got the ring all machined out and it's looking great, but as you can see the pattern is completely gone. To get that back we need to etch it in acid. So Damascus steel is made up of 2 alloys of steel and one etches away faster than the other, and that's what makes the pattern. To do the etching we're going to use a mixture of warm water and ferric chloride. This is my first time doing this, so I'm just going to try about a 50-50 mixture and we'll see where that gets us. Also, I have no idea how long this is going to take, so we're just going to keep a close eye on it and check it every couple of minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. As you can see, that pattern's coming back, and oh man, is it looking good. But I think we're going to leave it for a little while longer. Alright, it's been probably 20 minutes now. It's looking good. Now let's rinse it off in some baking soda water to neutralize the acid and see how it really looks. Oh man, it's getting all over me. Let's get this cleaned up. Interesting. So once I wipe it off, it's definitely not as dark. Well, I guess it's back in the acid. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes now. Let's neutralize it quickly and see how it looks. Alright, that's a much better color. But to make that pattern really pop, we gotta do one more thing. We're going to take this relatively high grit sandpaper and a makeshift sanding block to give this a quick sand. The reason for the block is that we only want to sand the raised edges. And just like that, it's already making a huge difference. Just a quick sand inside and out, and man, that's looking awesome. And here's a completed ring. I sure hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, I would certainly appreciate a like and subscribe, maybe even a share. If you're interested in this ring, check me out on Facebook and Instagram. I've made lots more, but this is actually my first metal ring, so I've got a lot of wooden rings. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.